Just about every work holding device out there is designed to hold your work down. But what about when you need to hold your work up? Get your work at a comfortable height and secure with our newest OneTIME tool, the Vise-Less Work Support. Whether you have a tricked out workbench like this, or an assembly table you've built yourself, the Vise-Less Work Support installs in under a minute. Adjusts right where you want it, and holds your work upright at a comfortable working height while you work with hand or power tools. It's perfect for cutting dovetails or tenons, and for supporting thin boards for dominoes and biscuit joiners. The only thing handier than a Vise-Less Work Support is two of them. Add a section of track between two Vise-Less Work Supports, and now you can support longer stock at a comfortable working height using just about anything for the base, even a simple sawhorse. The track connector locks them together perfectly square and perfectly flat. You can get a single Vise-Less Work Support or the Vise-Less Work Support system that includes a pair and an 18-inch connecting track. For even longer support, there's an optional 32-inch connecting track that will support stock over 6 feet long for edge work. The Vise-Less Work Support sets up anywhere and holds everything. Order yours today.